Well, we are going to listen to a conversation. Peter is at the greengrocer's. Listen and then write, what does Peter buy? Ready? Okay, let's listen.
Listen and write. What does Peter buy?
Hi, can I help you?
Hello, can I have 6 apples, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Can I have 4 oranges and some grapes, please?
Here you are. Anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
Right. That's £5, please.
Here you are.
Okay. Did you write what Peter buys? We are going to listen again. Please take a pencil and a sheet of paper and write what Peter buys. Okay, let's listen again.
Listen and write. What does Peter buy?
Hi, can I help you?
Hello, can I have 6 apples, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Can I have 4 oranges and some grapes, please?
Here you are. Anything else?
No, that's it, thanks.
Right. That's £5, please.
Here you are.
Okay, did you write the answer to this question? What does Peter buy? What did you write? This is the answer. 6 apples, 4 oranges and some grapes. Have you got the same? Good for you!